Hi, this is Keith Bean, and I apologize in advance for this commercial, but I may have watched too much Paw Patrol with my granddaughters.
Bean Team, to the lookout. Team, it's Truck Month, and we need to sell 50 new pickup trucks, 50 new SUVs, and 50 GM certified used vehicles.
We're on it.
I'm Kelsey, and I'm heading to Pakenham to sell this Trail Boss LT at 0% for 72 months.
I'm Catherine, and I'm off to Beckwith to deliver this Chevy Trax.
Hi, I'm Mark Lachane, and I'm heading to Northcore to sell this Buick Envision to one of my friends.
I am Alp. I have 75 GM certified used car. I can't decide.
Let our Bean Team introduce you to your next SUV, truck, or GM certified used car. Save money online with our Truck Month flyer at beancars.ca.
See the Chevy Pros in Carlton Place or click to save at beancars.ca.